Hello, guys. We are live. Extremely sorry for 10 minutes delay. Good morning, Sat Sri Akal, Adab, and Vadakkam. This is Supriya Kabra,
And my name is Dexter Rodriguez.
and we welcome you all to the TTS, the Trainers Show. And,
Yo,
yep, and a very happy Independence Day.
very happy Independence Day to each and every one of you lovely people. And thank you so much for joining us today on this beautiful day for the launch of the Trainer Show. Go ahead, Supriya.
So, Dexter, why don't we start with what what is the trainer show and how did this idea came to our mind at all? So, what is the trainer show? Let's first talk about that.
Okay,
This
very
show,
quickly, Supriya. The
yes,
tagline is something that we had come up with. So you want to hit that tagline first.
for sure. Why not? Because that is something that will tell you all about the trainers show. This
Mhm.
show is from trainers, by trainers, and for trainers. So, this is going to be for all those beautiful trainers out there who are either already established or in the midway of becoming the thought leaders and making our country proud. And also for those professionals who are wanting to do something in this field. But then it strikes to me, why, how are we making it mark special by just saying that this show is for trainers, by trainers, and from trainers? Would you want
That's
to
a
tell us
very good
about it?
Yeah, that's a very good point, Supriya. In fact, guys, even if you just need to be somebody who wants to stand in front of an audience and spread knowledge. So you can be a doctor, a teacher, a preacher, a speaker. It's just somebody who wants to stand in front of a bunch of people and talk to people about the knowledge that you have and help contribute and to this beautiful country of ours. That's what the show is geared towards. Yeah, and Supriya will tell you exactly now why did we come up with this concept of the trainer show. Now that you know, this is our unique factor where the show is meant not just for learning and development professionals. This is not just meant for organizational development professionals, but it's also meant for anybody and everybody with a voice who wants to share knowledge, share skills, and develop the country. So go ahead, Supriya.
Superb, Dexter. What a crisp and perfect. You actually hit the bullseye. And you know what? The very first wishes that came to us is from another thought leader, Mr. Milind Kale, who has joined us. So thank you so much, Milind sir, and Miss Richa Shankar to join us today. Thank you so very much. And we are very sure that we are going to do what just Dexter have said, that we are going to build the nation only with you guys. We would be needing so many people to build this community. We would be only then able to develop this concept of learn, earn, and build the nation. The trainers will definitely have a big opportunity to come on our show and demonstrate their skills. Yes, this show is majorly going to be for our very own Indian trainers, our very Swadesi trainers show. Yeah. With that, before we move ahead, Dexter, and we move to the next concept, wow, and another thought leader and another very क्या बोलते हो ना आप, this gentleman whom I'm now going to talk about, who has joined our show right now, I can see his comment in the comment box, is one who is like an honeycomb. वो जिधर उनका छत्ता होगा ना उधर बहुत सारी हनी बीज ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाएंगी. So Aman sir, thank you so much for joining us. You are
Thank you for
such a big
joining.
motivation to us. Yeah.
Right.
And you know what, Dexter, what I feel before we go ahead and announce and speak about our next concept, I feel why don't we also, while we are doing all that, we also ask our audience who have joined us, keep sharing their thoughts with us on the comment section, and also ask us if you have any doubts, any questions about the show as of now. Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, this is a soft launch that we are doing today. And as you would have realized, the format of the show is going to be in English. तो कभी हम लोग हिंदी में बात करेंगे, कभी हम लोग इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे. And you would have realized right now, I can do good at the Queens, but Supriya is great at Hindi. So this is a great intersection. And the idea really is that trainers across the country, anybody across the country, whether it's anybody who has a voice, like I said earlier, and like Supriya mentioned, not just learning and development professionals, but anybody across the country should be able to gain from this show. So language should not be a barrier, and hence the format is a beautiful English that we are going to put together and utilize. So please feel free, write in your comments, write in your thoughts, write in your suggestions. Right now, we've not etched it in stone. We are open for collaboration when we do our hard launch, which is going to be. And Supra, you want to announce that date of the hard launch? I think you'll do it
Yes,
much better than me.
yes. I am actually going super excited. I can jump, hop, dance, do everything right now. The ones who have
Right.
joined, and I believe most of them would already know us in person, and then will also know ki how funny we can be and how exciting we can be at the same time. This can be definitely a space for all the professionals, as you have correctly said, the ones who want to speak, who want to make their opinions go very loud and clear and do something for the nation. Yes, for them, this is going to be a space where there will be no agenda, there would be
Mhm.
no boundaries. It is all you. You are free to come join us and shape this entire thing. And Richa, thank you so much for encouraging us and telling us that a mix of language is a thumbs up. Thank you so very much, because yes, this is something that we had thought कि if the show is हमारा अपना स्वदेशी, the language should not be a barrier. We have so many languages, but
Yes.
yes, Hindi and English are the only two languages we believe that would be understood by every Indian. Yeah.
Yeah, and
And
Supriya, I just want to add over here, guys, it's not going to stop just at Hindi and English. I mean, if you speak Tamil, if you speak Telugu, if you speak Kannada, whatever language you're comfortable with, and you want to come on the show, don't worry, don't think twice. The show is for you. The show is for our nation, right? So our nation has
absolutely.
1,800 plus languages and dialects. Go, come right ahead, and we'll be more than happy to encourage you and make sure our commitment is to make sure that your voice gets heard. If you have something to share which is valuable to this nation, we are there for you. Yeah.
Wow, Dexter, thank you so very much for making this commitment so loud at the very start of this soft launch. And yes, guys, this is actually our commitment that we would want to build the nation and build your strengths to whatever best extent we can. Wherever we can spread, we would do it. But Dexter, can we do it alone? Just you and
Oh
me?
no. It looks like we are like a one man, one woman, one couple army, but it's not going
Yeah,
to work alone.
yeah,
We will need a
absolutely.
whole bunch of collaborators. We will need a whole bunch of all of us coming together. And that's exactly the reason why today is really the soft launch, because from today, that's from the 15th right up till the day that we launch. And the day that we launch is going to be stupid. You didn't share that, right? I'm going to
Oh,
share that
yeah,
now.
yeah. Hold on, hold on,
Hold
hold
on
on.
one
Let's
second.
do
You
it
want me
at
to
the
talk
end.
about it later? Okay, fine,
No,
fantastic.
yeah.
So what we're going to do is, and Supriya, what Supriya does is she kind of keeps me down calm because I have the habit of really getting super excited by Supriya's excitement. So the idea is that I think a good question at this point, Supriya, is to answer is why did we come up with this concept? So we are talking about how the show is going to benefit, who's it intended to, the format, but why did we come up with this concept, Supriya?
Wow, what a valid point. Yes, what is the concept is
Mm,
fine, but
mm,
why is the most important thing. So, you
mm.
know what, while we were exploring, my dear audience, what did we thought? We are yet maybe on the seeding stage, and you guys, if you join in, our why will be more powerful. So, we thought the quality of training, the grooming of our professional trainers, Missing? No, I would not say missing, but needs more strengthening. We need to go beyond our boundaries, beyond every barriers that we think we have in our mind. We really need to go beyond that and access to our premium content available across the globe. Okay, and we also want to actually challenge the solutioning. We really
Hmm.
want the premium content, premium designing, premium everything to come out of the way. And yes, one thing that I feel, personally, I feel is we can also go beyond structuring the entire thing. We
Hmm.
trainers, we
Hmm.
learning and development professionals have an habit of structuring everything. So I feel that if we all can come together and go beyond all the structuring conditioning that we have so far and come up with something which is as unique as nobody would have thought about it कि कोई इंडिया में ही मेरा अपना स्वदेशी ट्रेनर can give me this level of content. Wow. Then I think the world will be soon knowing India as Dexter. What will be India known as soon?
Years ago, many thousands of years ago, we had the Vikramshilas and the Takshilas, and the Aryabhattas of the world in India, and Nalandas, and people from all over the world would come here to learn. So to make India a learning center is something that is very high on our minds. And one of the things that I must add to what Supriya said is, you see, guys, as learning and development professionals, so I've been in this industry for a good 15 plus years. So has Supriya been in HR training. We've worked in the learning and development and the organization development industry. And we, of course, attend all these conferences, seminars, and what have you. One of the things that we've noticed is the fact that a lot of our trainers in our country have not been groomed professionally, or maybe the standard of skills is not very highly calibrated. So when we were discussing this and we were talking about ourselves and saying, hey, what can we do to change this? And how can we ensure that trainers in our country compete at the highest level? How can we give them access to premium training technologies which has worked, and they don't need to worry about the dollar cost, they don't need to worry about the certification. Whatever their challenges are, they can come to one central place and resolve it. And how can we do that, and how can we give back to this country, because we want to build this nation, because we see people who come to the show go back and build their own local communities. So not only is their personal brand created, but also the communities that they are serving. And that's, when Supriya earlier spoke about learn, earn, and build, and that's what we are here to do. So that's why we came up with this concept of the trainer show. Isn't that right, Supriya?
Absolutely right. Nothing more than this. I could have agreed, Dexter, with
Mhm.
you. Yes, 200%. We are actually on a rocket flight to make this country a skill hub, a hub
Right.
where everybody will again come back to learn from us.
Very
Yes,
true. Very
so
true.
right. And
So, and
yes,
how are we
Dexter,
going to do this,
while
Supriya?
how are
Hmm.
we going to do it?
Yeah.
Yes, that's something very, very important. I feel
Hmm.
before you and me speak, I would really want to hear it from our people out there who have already joined us. And would somebody want to quickly comment and tell us that what do you think? How can we do this? The dream is good, the why is good, everything is good, but how are we going to do it? I'm
It's a good
expecting some
question.
comments quickly on the comment section.
India has what, 1.3 billion plus people. How are we going to convert this place into a skill hub? All these companies, Skillshare and Skillsoft, and we're not promoted by them anyways, but they are all international companies. But the skills, the original skills that started off in this country thousands of years ago, we want to reinvigorate. We want to make sure that we keep India as the central learning hub of the entire world. And for that, we need to start reskilling and upskilling the existing speakers and trainers and facilitators in the country. So how do we go about doing that? What are your thoughts? Is this too mammoth a task? How should we start? What do you want to challenge us with? What do you want to challenge the country with? Write that in. So looking forward to hearing from you.
Yes. Even I am looking forward. I'm expecting a couple of comments because we have really amazing people who have joined it, and I'm sure they would be having much more thoughts than and me have already conceptualized.
Yeah, and it's so we are so privileged, isn't it, Supriya? It's 15th of
Indeed.
August. It's early in the morning. I'm sure people
Yes.
have done some flag hoistings, and here they are today with us. It just goes to show the commitment you have to the nation. So whoever's right now with us, you are spot on. You're right here. You're bang on with your commitment. So thank you so much, Jay Hind. We are doing this together. Yeah, so comment
Absolutely.
whatever's on your mind. What are you feeling? What are you thinking? What's on your mind? Put that in. How do you want to contribute to build this nation? How do you want us to contribute? We want to hear that from you now.
Wow. So Ruchira has commented saying, creating a platform for speakers to share their thoughts and expertise. It's like leaders creating more leaders can be one of the objective. Ruchira, you are bingo. You are so right. And yes, this is definitely one of the major objectives that we have in mind. That if we can create a platform which is out of all the barriers, which is out of all the structuring, people can come freely share their knowledge of anything and everything. They can contribute in touching the lives and actually transforming the lives of the diverse India. As Dexter was just saying a couple of minutes back, that we have 1.3 million people and they are so diverse. We have variety, a big time variety of people, and how are we going to do that? So, yes, one thing which Ruchira, we completely take your point that creating a platform, yes, with you all, we are definitely going to create this platform as probably one of the most strongest platform and unjudged platform for all the contributors. Wow,
Yeah, and,
Richard,
and, and
thank you
Ruchika,
so
that's a
much.
very nice point because, to add to what Supriya is saying, it's a very valid point because the fact is that on the show, we are going to get voices who are inspirations, who are voices of inspiration. So you have a lot of, and I don't mean to talk about any other program, but the fact is, you might be wondering that, okay, to create a leadership platform or to create a training platform, there are lots of voice, there are lots of shows out there. But I'll tell you the unique factor over here is that A, we're going to get you people who are really best in class. We're going to get you practices that are best in class. And B, the idea is that people coming on the show have a zeal for commitment to the country, to contributing towards the nation. So whatever is going to happen. So, for example, Supriya just mentioned that we're going to get people on the show. Well, we're going to call people who've contributed to the community on the show. And we're going to call those people who have not yet contributed but are committed to contributing to their community. So when they go back, they can develop their communities, they can develop their brand. So it's a two-pronged effort, right? You're developing your brand and as well as you're developing the country. So that's the kind of audience that we are looking at. And
Bingo, you are so
yeah,
right, Dexter. And so is our one of the participant, Miss Richa, is so very much right. Yes, you have very correctly, uh, remembered Tagore sir's poem. And if you would want to just see Dexter, what he has written so beautifully, where the mind is held without fear, where knowledge is free, where the mind is led forward into ever widening thought and action. Richa, thank you so much. And I don't
wow.
think कि all of the ones who have joined us today, इनको तो हम लेकर ही आ रहे हैं अपनी शो में. आप
Richa, that was
आप
beautiful, isn't it, Supriya? Yeah, where the mind is led
wow.
forward into ever widening thought. Thank you so much. We rarely hear about Tagore. And see, Supriya, another shining example of our culture and our legacy. Rabindranath Tagore ji, I mean, who better talk about than today? So, yes, somebody who,
Today, that
with
is
his,
so right.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, absolutely, absolutely so right. And thank you so much, Richa, for sharing this line and reminding us of all that glorious talks that he had and the mission that he had led. So, yes, with all the thoughts that you had and you have contributed right now, I would just want to sum up the how of how are we going to do this mission at PTS. relevant content from industry experts, demonstration of techniques. We are also wanting to create the repository of learning, and the biggest objective is to build a community, build
Yeah.
the nation. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
I think Supriya, this part that you spoke about, and before we come to building a community, guys, this is going to be a learning repository that we're going to create online for generations to come, where people in our country would be able to see and relate and understand. It could be something as simple as how to create a webinar to something as interesting as how to run a developmental center. So whatever it is that we're going to create. We're going to make sure that we give back, we keep it out there open for people to learn for as long as they want, and the community builds and grows around this. Yeah, so and right now we are starting with facilitators, but imagine one fine day if you have somebody who teaches carpenters how to work their craft, and they look at the show and they understand, oh, this is how I'm supposed to deliver that information, this is how I'm supposed to train in a technical environment, and he can understand it because of the fact that we are doing the show in Hindi or in English, maybe in his regional language as well one fine day. And then he looks and he so there is an online learning repository for any trainer, any teacher, whatever skill. And that's the long term vision that we have for the show. So building a community, yes. Yeah.
yes. Yes, and you are so right, Dexter. Thank you so much for highlighting this point, Dexter, for us. That
Mm.
when we are saying community, we are literally meaning the every person, every Indian who wants to learn and who wants to upscale, upgrade themselves and be the refined version of themselves. This show is not going to be only for X level of community, but it's going to be
Yes,
for everyone who wants to
absolutely.
learn, relearn, unlearn, and upscale, upgrade themselves and build the nation thereby. And what if I just thought, it's really,
Mm.
really wild and very thrilling. Just
Yeah,
imagine, Dexter, what if we should be able to create a chain of people who are learning and thereby going back and passing this learning to someone else and
absolutely.
motivating them to passing this learning to someone else too?
Absolutely. I mean, think about it, Supriya, this vision that we have, which is learn, earn, and build. So when you say learn, it's your personal brand, learn and earn, and you're earning because now you're skilled. So you've learned from the show. Now you're earning because of the fact that you're better skilled, and build not just communities, but build another trainer show locally. Course. Of course, that's fantastic. That's what we are looking for. So you keep building and you keep training and teaching people. And Atmanirbhar Bharat, right? That's the idea.
That's
That's
so
the
right.
mission. Yeah.
That's so right. Yeah, Atmanirbhar Bharat, Skill Up India, whatever you say, but yes, we really, really now want India not to be called as some unskilled or low skilled or, a little less literate country, but we really, really want every one of them to be at the highest section or the highest graph of their scalability question. Literacy can be
Yes.
something else, but having skills can still get you your bread and butter and can also give wings to your dreams.
And with that nice thought, Supriya, wings to your dreams. Do you want to share what we are going to do in this show?
Yes,
With the people who are watching the show, and we're not just talking about the experts here, but we're talking about the audiences as well. What are we going to do with them?
absolutely. Yes, before I come to that, we have another compliment and another, what you can say, another person joining into our community. I can see Sandeep, who has just written that yes, contribution to Digital India mission with online learning community. Thank you so much, Sandeep, for summing up the entire talk that we were having from last few minutes in just one line. Thank you so much for summing up this. Yes. So what was the question? How are we? What is in
Uh,
there
yeah,
for
so
the
I'm
participants?
also going to compliment. So I'm going to take my turn to compliment Sandeep now. All right, Supriya. So So, Sandeep, when you say contribution to Digital India mission, yes, absolutely. It's going to be a contribution to Digital India. And after, the digital learning is done, to be able to take that in person and to make that reality happen as a chain, as a community, again and again, keep going forward, and continue that cycle, like Supriya was mentioning earlier, continue that cycle. And that's the way we're going to start to grow this. I mean, today we are just planting a little seed, but that little seed is going to grow into a big, big banyan tree, and it's going to spread its wings and its roots and branches far and wide. And really, that is the idea. Yes. So it's starting off digital. It's going to be in person somewhere later on down the line, and that's how we're going to roll with this. So thank you for that comment. And my question now to you, Supriya, is what are we going to do with the audiences who are going to watch this show? So people are going to come in and look at us and say, "Hey, wow, I'm learning so much. This is so interesting. You're speaking in regional languages. I can understand what you're saying. You're talking about a variety of things, soft skills, hard skills. You're talking about technical skills. You're teaching me how to talk to people. Wow, I'm amazed." And then I start doing it. I start actually doing it where I am in my local community or in my city, in my town, in my state. What
Yes.
next after that? What will the show do for them?
You know what? Thank you actually for asking this question because I feel, as I just said, that what if they in turn become a trainer or become a teacher for someone else? You really did
Yes,
not need a mic, camera, and action to do your contribution. Yeah, this can be that RTTS can just be maybe a medium or just a platform kickstart this entire learning process. But yes, this can also go offline. And yes, what if I really am maybe thinking too aloud and maybe being too optimistic? And I feel yes, with all those people who are joining in, we are really going to have this dream come true. That one day we may facilitate this set of people who are contributing to the society after learning from there and going back and teaching someone offline. And we would really want to look forward to have such people whom we can proudly announce and felicitate them on this show. Yeah.
absolutely. And guys, this show is about community building, and community is not built by just one or two people. It's built by a whole bunch of people, a whole nation. Our whole nation is a community. So if you, like Supriya rightly said, if you watch the show and you go back and you implement those skills and you're able to make a difference in your community or even a difference to yourself, you come back, contact us, and we will feature you on the show in terms of the participation, in terms of. So the idea is really for us to work together like one big family, like one big family of India. And we are very active on Facebook. So that's where the community is really going to grow from. But if you see us on YouTube and you comment and you reach out to us, we will definitely feature you on the show. We've got some plans around that. We're going to keep that under wraps for now, but there is a whole exciting section where we get people on the show, we feature them, and we're going to make it very exciting for people to come online and very easy for them to come online as well. Remember, one of the things that if you've realized through our conversation so far is that ease of access is something that's one of the core values of this team. So whether it's ease of access, we are giving you the education through as being a platform, or you're coming in and easily accessing the platform and featuring on it. So that's going to be a part of the show as well. Yeah, so keep your eyes and ears
So,
open for that. Yeah,
superb. And see, just I think yes, we are inspiring, and we will definitely have lot of experts, a lot of people who want to contribute. And here, even before we urge and even before we go to people one to one, I can see the first commitment loud and clear coming to our way from Milind sir, saying that we will actively spread the word and we will ensure people come to know. Thank you so very much, sir. Sir, take a salute from us for making your commitment so much loud and clear on a live launch. And yes, we really need such warriors who are going to be committed anywhere, everywhere, and anytime. Yes. With that,
Wow.
Dexter, I am now going to put the next question and probably the last question to you for today.
Uh-huh.
How can people who want to contribute to this cause and who want to join our TTS community, how can they do that?
Okay, so that's a very nice question, Supriya. Now think about this, guys. You have a family, right? If you want to support somebody in your family, whether it's your immediate family or extended family, how do you support them? You call them up, you reach out to them, you speak to them, and you contribute to their lives, right? So this is your family. India is your family. The show is your family. So what this is your community. So for you to make a difference to this family, for you to make a difference to this community, we'd really, really love for you to get onto our Facebook group. Yeah. So every day, what we're going to do is we're going to ask people about challenges. We're going to ask people about suggestions, inputs. So please get onto our Facebook group, contribute, especially for any challenges that you have, because whatever's on your mind, whatever challenges that you have. So imagine somebody in your family is going through a challenge and you want to help that person. So think about it this way, that the trainers, the speakers, the teachers, the facilitators in this country, what are the challenges that you foresee, forecast, or something that you've encountered already, and what specific challenges are those, and what support would you require around those? Pose that question in, and we're going to try our level best to answer that question with the right people, and we're going to build a community around that. So even before the show really launches, we'll have a whole set of content that we can talk about from the challenges that you are bringing in. Yeah, so that's the call to
Absolutely.
action. So please go ahead and do that, guys. Join our FP community and throw in those questions. We will create that forum for you. Watch out for that, and please respond to that forum with all the challenges that you have. Yeah, participate, contribute
Absolutely.
to make this country great again. Yeah.
Yes, and Dexter, to add to your point and to reshape and energize it, I would just want to tell people that yes, please do keep writing to us. We have you can access to us on our phone numbers too, and come and tell us ki, okay, this is something is my dream connect. I want to learn from this person, or I want to learn about this topic. And then, yes, you can definitely bank on us that we are going to put our 200% to get you your dream learning, to get your dream learning from the dream person too. Now,
Yes.
with that, I would want right now, whoever is live with us, I'm actually seeing Milind sir and Archana and so many people, joining in and telling us that yes, we want to join in. If you really want to join the TTS community, please write join hashtag TTS. Write in the comment section, join hashtag TTS if you want to come and contribute and be the part of our community.
Another comment from Richa as well. Thank you, Richa. Thank you so much. I mean,
Thank
such
you.
lovely folks, all of you. Milind, Richa, Archana, then I'm seeing Ruchira here. And, all of you are commenting, and it's giving us so much of motivation, inspiration,
Ruchira,
and
Sandeep, Arman sir, there are so many people who have joined in.
yeah.
And yeah, I'm sure there are a lot of other people also, Dexter, who might have not commented but are maybe, just willing to join and just wanting to understand that what is it that we are going to do in TTS. Wow, Ruchira, the first join came from you. Thank you so very much. Mahesh ji, thank you so much. Milind sir, thank you so very much. Join hashtag TTS if you want to join TTS and contribute to the community online and
Mhm,
offline,
mhm,
both.
mhm.
Yeah,
Wow, wonderful,
yes,
wonderful, guys. This
wow.
is the start of a juggernaut. We are starting today, and believe me, as we keep taking steps, more and more and more, this is going to really build momentum. So right now we are starting slow, and then we are building, but it's going to build so quickly. You know, uh, this reminds me of a wonderful analogy, Supriya. How we have taught the world. Did you know, and I just remembered this, that the word juggernaut, while I was speaking, I just remembered, comes from the Hindi word Jagannath. And Jagannath is because
Ah,
of the fact that the Jagannath temple in this, when they have the Jagannath procession, they've got these huge procession with huge wheels. And all these men marshalling that entire procession forward. And when the
wonderful.
British saw it, they couldn't pronounce Jagannath and they said Juggernaut. So this is the juggernaut that we are going to start today, right? And we are going to
Wow,
take this
super.
forward and we're going to
Absolutely.
make this massive. Yeah,
Yes, indeed. And with so many people already have committed right on the live that they are joining TTS, I can actually see every dream that you and me alone had seen and coming together had seen. I'm sure our horizon and our scope is going to be multiplied because with
absolutely.
every brain, we are sure that we are going to have our uniqueness added. Yeah. So we look forward
Yes,
for each and every one to join the community, irrespective of what profession you are into. We also invite the housemakers or the ones who once upon a time they were doing something and now that they are not able to do it or they are not able to spread their wings, we with warm heart, we would want to welcome everyone out there who want to contribute to the cause of nation
and this
building.
is such a beautiful idea, Supriya, because mothers make the best teachers, don't they? Yeah, and it's the mothers who
Indeed.
influence the families right from the word go. Absolutely, right? Yeah. So having mothers is the
That's
first
so
teacher
true.
that we could reach out to. So please, get
Wow.
all your mothers in so that when they do their tuitions for their children, when they teach them, they know the techniques to be able to get knowledge across in a way that is digestible, user friendly, and is fun for their children to learn. And we start right from the roots. Yeah, so it's brilliant. Yeah.
Brilliant. And with that, I would now want to reveal the secret. When are we going to have our first expert on board and launching this real thing of nation building? And as Dexter just hinted us, it's going to be on the Teachers' Day. That's 5th September 2020. We, we really intend to bring in the real teachers who have been teaching and transforming the lives of each and every one, maybe right from the childhood and or maybe in some indifferent way. With that, I stop my revealing the secret here and stay tuned with us, guys, while we come up with some great experts. Now, when we say experts, we really do not mean, as Dexter have already said, we mean everyone who is doing their task in the best of their capacity, knowledge. Yeah. So stay tuned with us.
Absolutely.
We are going to see you again on 5th of September, but we are going to stay in touch with you on this FB page, LinkedIn page, YouTube channel, and on our phone numbers. So you can
Yeah,
reach out
and
to us on any of the medium.
absolutely. And guys,
Yes.
this is so while the launch is on the 5th of September, which is the day of Guru Purnima, where that's the auspicious day where which is about the teachers of the nation. We will ensure that over the next couple of weeks we keep doing these bite-sized sessions. I know today was a bigger bite than normal, but we'll keep doing bite-sized sessions over the next couple of weeks and making sure that if you got a chunk today, you'll get more crisper bites over the next couple of weeks, and the community keeps building so that when we launch on the day of Guru Purnima, we have all your thoughts, your contributions, and you never know, you might just be on the show as well. So feel free to comment, join in, contribute, because we want you here on the show, and we want you to contribute and help us, all of us together, build this beautiful nation of ours. Yeah, thank you so much, everybody, and
And
go ahead, Supriya. Yeah,
signing off, Supriya Kabra and Dexter
Dexter
Roderick.
Rodriguez.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. See you. Stay in touch. Bye bye.
Jayant, everybody, enjoy and see you next week. Thank you so much for joining in. Have a wonderful day and a beautiful weekend ahead.